Welcome to the Non-Residential Outdoor Lighting Alterations video, where you'll learn about requirements in California's Building Energy Efficiency Standards, also known as the Energy Code. In this video, we'll provide an overview of outdoor lighting alterations requirements, the code compliance pathways for outdoor lighting alterations, and the necessary forms to show that a project complies with the Energy Code. First, what are outdoor lighting alterations? An alteration is defined as a project that includes the replacement of any lighting component, system, or equipment regulated by the Energy Code. For outdoor lighting projects, alterations include luminaire replacements and luminaire additions. There are three general requirements that apply to every lighting alteration. First, for any alteration project that includes new or altered lighting controls, those lighting controls must comply with the mandatory requirements listed in Section 110.9 of the Energy Code, which describes the specific features and functionality required. Second, any alteration of an outdoor luminaire that delivers 6,200 lumens or more requires that the luminaire meet certain luminaire cutoff requirements, as applicable per Section 130.2. Third, all alterations to outdoor lighting systems must include acceptance testing, as applicable per Section 130.4. All other requirements are determined based on whether or not the alteration project results in an increase of the system's connected load. Alterations that increase the connected lighting load of any existing outdoor lighting system installed in hardscape or an application listed in Table 140.7-B are treated like a new construction project. These projects must comply with all applicable mandatory and prescriptive lighting requirements previously described. These requirements are contained in Section 110.9, 130.2, and 140.7. More information on outdoor lighting control requirements are provided in the 2019 Outdoor Lighting and Sign Control Requirements video. For alterations that do not increase the connected load of the outdoor lighting system, there are two paths to compliance per Section 141.0b-2L, which vary based on the quantity of luminaires being changed, moved, or replaced. Option 1. For projects altering 5 or more luminaires, or between 10 and 49%, whichever is greater, of the outdoor fixtures at that project site, outdoor lighting systems must adhere to the luminaire cutoff, daylight availability, automatic scheduling, and motion sensing control requirements. The automatic scheduling and motion sensing control requirements vary by application. For outdoor lights in parking lots and outdoor sales lots that are mounted 24 feet or less above ground, photo controls or astronomical time switches need to turn lights off during the day. In addition, motion sensing controls must reduce the light's power between 50 and 90% during unoccupied periods, including during business hours. For all other applications, including those where the outdoor light is mounted above 24 feet, a photo control or astronomical time switch must turn lighting off during the day, and a schedule-based or motion sensing control must reduce the outdoor light's power by at least 40% when the area is normally vacant. Option 2. For projects altering 5 luminaires or 50% or more of the existing luminaires, whichever is greater, the project must comply with the same luminaire cutoff, daylight availability, automatic scheduling, and motion sensing control requirements from Option 1. They must also comply with the lighting power density requirements in Section 140.7. Note, there is an exception for alterations where each and every replacement luminaire has at least 40% lower system power compared to the original luminaire. These alteration projects are not required to comply with the lighting power density or LPD requirements in Section 140.7. Now let's discuss the certificates or forms needed to demonstrate energy code compliance to your local enforcement authority for outdoor lighting alteration projects. Outdoor lighting alteration projects must be documented on Certificates of Compliance, or NRCCs, Certificates of Installation, or NRCIs, and Certificates of Acceptance, or NRCAs. All forms are available for download as PDFs on www.energycodeace.com. The NRCAs are provided for informational purposes only. Actual NRCA forms may only be submitted by a certified lighting controls acceptance test technician and have the logo of an approved acceptance test technician certification provider, or ATTCP. Additionally, you can access Energy Code ACE's Virtual Compliance Assistant tool at www.energycodeace.com/content/project-tool, which is available to help you fill out the NRCCs. The Certificate of Compliance for Outdoor Lighting, NRCC-LTO-E, is required for all non-residential outdoor lighting alteration projects. Luminaire cutoff information must be documented in Section G and outdoor lighting controls in Section H. The installation team must document each required installed control device on the Certificate of Installation NRCI-LTO-01-E. If an energy management control system, also called an EMCS, or Advanced Lighting Control System, is used to meet the requirements, system information is documented on Form NRCI-LTO-02-E. To comply with the Energy Code, acceptance testing is required for all projects where outdoor lighting controls are installed in non-residential, high-rise residential, hotels or motel buildings, except for those installed in healthcare facilities. However, acceptance testing is not required for an alteration project where lighting controls are added to manage 20 or fewer luminaires. This exception applies to the project as a whole, not each individual lighting control device. Let's review what we've learned. Outdoor lighting alterations include projects that replace or add luminaires or lighting components to existing outdoor lighting systems. For alterations that increase the connected lighting load, altered luminaires must meet both the mandatory and prescriptive requirements, as though they were part of a new construction project. For projects that do not increase the total connected load of the outdoor lighting systems, control requirements are triggered when the project includes at least 5 luminaires or 10% of the luminaires in an area, whichever is greater. Control requirements vary based on whether the project includes between 10 and 49% or 50% or more of the existing luminaires in the project area. Any alteration to outdoor lighting systems that includes lighting controls requires lighting controls acceptance testing. However, any project that adds lighting controls to manage 20 or fewer luminaires is exempt from acceptance testing. That wraps up the non-residential outdoor lighting alteration requirements. For more information, visit the Energy Commission website at energy.ca.gov/ORC.